Siraya Tech Tenacious 3D resin stands out for its combination of flexibility and impact resistance, so printed parts are far less likely to shatter when dropped. Its toughness is high enough that thin sections can flex dramatically without cracking, which makes it ideal for functional hinges, clips, and protective parts. Many users blend this resin with more brittle standard resins to add strength and elasticity, turning delicate models into durable, everyday usable pieces. Because it is compatible with most modern LCD and DLP machines and is suitable for very high-resolution printing, it works well for detailed miniatures and precision components. Makers often choose this resin for items like tabletop gaming pieces, custom gaskets, and braces, where a mix of flexibility, strength, and fine detail is crucial. Compared with many other flexible formulations, it is relatively straightforward to dial in, cures reliably under 405 nanometer light, and takes dyes well for custom colors.